Hello everyone, today I will explain how to use a USB flash drive for plug and play with the X4M. First of all, what you are seeing now is the front panel of the X4M. You can see that its front panel consists of an LCD display, a knob, and various buttons. Next, let me explain the back panel of the X4M. You can see that it has a USB interface. Before using the USB flash drive, you can preload videos, pictures, and other materials onto it. Then, plug the USB flash drive into the corresponding USB interface. After that, you can use the front panel with the X symbol to play the videos, pictures, and other materials stored on the flash drive. First, press the knob and use it to select the USB flash drive playback function. At this point, you will see 6 functions, numbered 1 to 6. The first function is file browsing, which allows you to quickly view and play videos and photos on the USB flash drive. For example, if we select Picture 1 and press the knob once, the screen will display the content of Picture 1. You can quickly display the desktop picture. The screen will show this picture. Press ESC to exit the current playback interface. The second function is looping mode, which sets the playback loop mode for the contents of the USB flash drive. The third function is media file type, where you can choose between pictures or videos. After selecting video and exiting, you can quickly filter video files in the file browsing section. Pressing the knob will start the video playback, and the screen will display the video content. The fourth option is picture effects, where you can set entrance effects for pictures, choosing between no effect or a random effect. The fifth option is picture duration, which sets the playback duration for individual pictures with a maximum of 100 seconds. The sixth option is autoplay. When this function is enabled, the device will continue playing the contents of the USB flash drive after restarting. On the front panel of the device, you can use the USB shortcut key to quickly switch between the contents of the USB flash drive. The first button is used to play and pause the materials. You can see that the screen is currently paused. Pressing the button will resume video playback. The button on the right is the stop playback button. Pressing it will immediately black out the screen. To play again, press the play button once more. The 2 buttons below are used for switching between video materials. These buttons allow for quick material switching. That's all for today's session. Thank you, everyone.